for you. Last time here, Greg, trying to replicate it. That time we turned in a little bit too late. You still got to the apex, which is good, but that was a little bit too late that time. You be sooner than that, and you carry more speed into the entry of the corner that way. There you go, 4 and 5 looks really good. All right, now the next corner, turn 6. Turn in maybe 2 feet sooner than you did the previous lap. Right at the cone. And you want to get to the inside almost. There you go. Yep, right away. And that way you can actually accelerate a little bit before that first apex. One more little adjustment here, Greg. When you turn into 9, maintain that light brake a little longer. There you go. Now, all you got to do now is just turn the wheel a little bit more to get the car to run over that apex curve. Then you'll have even more space on the exit of 9.